Hello! Hello and welcome to What the Hey, where I'm your regular host of What the Hey, but today in What the Hey, I am doing a bruh baking. It's back. We making some food to thrive at school, cause I'm poor. First thing we gotta do is we gotta put our hair up, cause I'm a woman. I got somewhat longish hair. That's important. Then I got this apron. It's pretty cool. It's one of my grandfather's old. It's like a pampered chef apron, so it's like pretty legitness. It's kind of not needed for what I'm doing my recipe of, but you know, that's just how it is. I want Gordon Ramsay to be jealous of my outfit. And then look at this! I have an official recipe box now. I found one at an antique store when I was with my best friend, and I have 2 recipes in it now. The recipe and what I'm making today is called Cookie in a Mug, and this comes from Sara Brown, so hello to you, and thank you for the recipe. I've seen people make these online. I've never done it myself, so thank you for a recipe so that I don't mess up. Now it's time for ingredients. So first thing we need, apparently, is butter, unsalted butter, but apparently you can interchangeably use salted and unsalted butter, specifically for cookie kind of stuff, so that works. Butter. I have a little step stool because I'm short, because I have ingredients up there. I am extremely short. So it's a tablespoon of unsalted butter, a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg yolk, 3 tablespoons of flour, and like 1 to 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips if you want to add them. So those are all the ingredients, and I'll have that listed. So butter, sugar, brown sugar, vanilla, that was loud, salt, egg, flour, and chocolate chips. Now I have a handy dandy little tablespoon thing, because that's the main measurement thing that we'll be using. Wow, 1/8 is even small. Okay. I'm gonna just have all these out. So it looks like, according to the, instructions, all this can just be put in the mug as I'm going, so I need a big mug. For this specific attempt, I'm gonna use this, Disney Dory mug that my best friend gave me, so hello to you as well. So the first thing I have to do is microwave the butter. So I'm going to go ahead and do the butter, which is 1 tablespoon of butter. Butter here. So 1 tablespoon, so I'm going to use this one. Oh heck. So microwave butter, okay. So 1 tablespoon of specifically unsalted but butter. So Sarah says to microwave the butter for about 30 seconds. My microwave now smells like mac and cheese. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Okay, sugar's here. So the next step is to mix in sugars, so I'm guessing that's both the white sugar and the brown sugar. So let's do that. 1 tablespoon of regular, white sugar, I guess granulated. And then also 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Yeet. The next thing is to do the vanilla, which is 1/2 teaspoon, so that is this one. Next I have to do 1/8 a teaspoon of salt. I have 1/4 a teaspoon, so that's less. That's half of that, bruh. That looks about half, so 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now I do mixing, apparently. Here we are. We're mixing. So the next thing is just to add 1 egg yolk. So yee! Once again, it is mixing time. I've never just mixed an egg yolk in my mugs. This is new. Just kind of looking like maple syrup, but that's okay. The next instruction is to put in the flour, which is 3 tablespoons of flour. Bro, I got this whole set of multicolored containers, so it's rainbow colored, so now I have all these useful containers for ingredients, which is nice. So once again, it is 3 tablespoons of flour. 1, Oh, 3. A bit messy, but you know, gang gang, that's how it is. Then it says to mix again. So basically when you have all the main ingredients, just like mix it. It probably would be better to use a whisk, but I don't want to clean. How are you doing? It also says to fold in the chocolate chips. I'm gonna guess that's just like putting them in there, but I don't know. It's starting to gradually look like a mix of some sort. Disgusting. Okay. Where are my chocolate chips? I'm personally gonna put in chocolate chips because I like chocolate chips. So personally, I think fold in means just putting them in there occasionally, so I'm gonna do that occasionally. So my stuff just kind of looks like a yellow mix, you know? So I'm going to, according to the recipe, put this in for like 40 seconds. I'm not gonna lie, tasting the spoon, this does taste like a cookie. So I'm excited to see after the microwave. As long as nothing explodes, I think this has so far been somewhat of a success. Coming! I had to charge my phone, excuse me. Yo, dope, okay. It's like kind of formed. Hold up. Okay, it's kind of, oh wait, no, what? It's a little moist right now, so I'm gonna put it in. It said a max of 50 seconds. I'm gonna put it in for like another 10 seconds. How are we doing today? I kind of like how in general, it's like pretty quick. It's hot. Okay, honestly, I know you can't really see it that well, but like the consistency, for the most part, actually, is pretty cookie-like. It's not it's kind of spongy for me, but like I'm actually surprised like that doesn't take forever. Like for me, I feel like I personally need to put it in the microwave longer, but I'm not going to, cause I want to be edgy, bruh. Like it's very interesting because it is pretty much like a solid. It kind of comes off to me as more of like a muffin kind of thing, but like in general, the way to do this is super fast, and it's not like you need that many ingredients, so this is pretty smart. I am personally always down for like super easy and yet super good like things like this. Yeah, for me it's definitely more kind of like spongy, almost muffin kind of consistency. But like the idea and the taste of hot is there. I'm always super impressed by people and how they come up with stuff like this, because I would never. But yeah, that's essentially it. Super easy, super chill. If you have any like recipe suggestions, this video was super short. I thought it would take longer, but like it's impressive because you only have to heat this up for like 40 seconds. But yeah, that's basically it. So as I said, if you have any recipe suggestions, let me know and I'll try them. I have another recipe that I need to try out. It's a pie, and it's pretty good. So I'll have to do that in the future. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.